Okay, this is our second video for the discriminant. The first one was this. Make sure you watch this first and the Khan Academy video. So watch the Khan Academy video on the discriminant and this video. Now you can do this. So the key is it has to be equal to 0. I'm gonna do a couple of these. This one right here, it's equal to 0. So I'm gonna say A equals, B equals, C equals. I'll zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. A is -3, B is 3, C is -9. We're looking at B squared minus 4AC. So, three squared minus 4 times A times C. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to put it into my calculator. 3 squared minus 4 times -3 times -9. My discriminant is -99. So here the directions say find the discriminant of each equation, then state the number and type of solutions. No real solutions. Okay, that one came out like that. I'm going to jump over here to another one, maybe number 8. See what happens. First off, I'm going to get it equal to 0. It's not equal to 0. So I'm going to move this over to here by adding 2x squared. Adding 2x squared. 0 equals 4 minus 2x plus 2x squared. Be very careful. A, because it's not in standard form, it's mixed up. A is here, 2. B, C, 4. The C is 4, because that's the number by itself. This is with x. There's your x squared. B squared minus 4ac. I'm going to write it again. B squared minus 4ac will be -2 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4. Calculator time. Oh, doesn't fit well. Okay. -2 squared minus 4, 2, and 4. -28. No real solutions. Now, next week, we will find a way of solving this. But for now, there's no real solution. Next week, we learn about something else. Okay. I'm going to give you some review on these other questions, how to factor. This is what a part of the test where we had a lot of difficulties. I want you to do number 9, I'll do number 10. 2, 7, and 6. Squared, n squared, n, and no n. We're doing the diamond, that's what I'm talking about here. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 on the bottom, 2n, 2n. All you got to do is find these numbers. What two numbers multiply to 12 and add up to 7? So I got 12 equals 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, got it, 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. My factors are going to be 2n plus 3. And this one has to reduce 1 and 2. 1n plus 2. I want you to practice that for this one. Okay. Do the same skills. Turn your paper over. Do all that work. Oh, and do a couple more here. We've got get at least half of these done. Do at least half of them. And I want to do a simplified radicals. This is what we did yesterday in our notes. Factor tree. 2 times 9. 3 times 3. I got a pair, cross one out. The one that didn't get crossed out is here. Anything that didn't get circled is still inside. This 2 didn't have a partner? Bam. Solve the equation by taking the square roots. Last section, number 20. Taking the square root, I want to get x alone. There's no b term. No b. I've got a and I got c, but no b. So add 4, add 4. 4x equals 16. Squared. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X squared equals 4. Square root, both sides, get rid of the square and put a plus minus right there. X equals, well, square root of 4 is 2 times 2. Cross one out. Oh, plus or minus 2. I know it's kind of crude, but x equals plus 2, positive 2 or negative 2. Okay, make sure you're able to do the assignment. Know the video for tomorrow.